Hello, welcome to my channel, welcome to my page. Please watch this video to the end. Let's prepare this oilless okra soup. Have you eaten something like this before? Please watch this video to the end, like and share. God bless you. Enjoy watching. I used 3 tablespoons grounded crayfish. This is 2. I later added another tablespoon. I grated this okra and I also blend some. If you don't want to blend it, you can skip it. So I used chicken, you know that hard chicken. I used chicken, shaki, catfish and mackerel fish. You can use any meat of your choice. I just added another crayfish. Yeah, I thought I was recording it. It was after I added it and I saw that I wasn't filming it. So please like this video and share. I removed some chicken before. I said, let me just add it. And I later added it. Have you liked this video? Please like my video and share. If you are watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel, Tonia Light TV 2. If you are watching on TikTok, follow my page, please. Truth Life Story. If you are watching on Facebook, Tonia Light Ehi. Please watch this video to the end. So my soup is ready. Look at that, so yummy. Yeah, I prepared plantain fufu. My dear, I was so hungry. I prepared this plantain fufu, everything in a hurry. It was nice. Okay, I used macro with it. I used fresh plantain, so I will upload the video after this one. Yeah, you can prepare your fresh plantain in your kitchen. You will know exactly what you are eating. That is shaki. So have you liked my video? Have you subscribed to my channel? Drop your comments. Let me know if you have eaten okra like this without oil. Have you tried it before? Will you give it a try? Where are you watching from? Thanks for watching this